Hey, hi, Hina. Nice coming here, yeah.
Hi Aparna, how are you?
I'm very good and I'm very happy seeing you.
Same here.
Come, please. So, how's everything going?
All good?
The life is good?
Yes, definitely.
Great.
Children are settled, so life is good.
Yeah, but they are a bit busy for the annual function.
Yes.
Yeah, are they all excited?
All excited and of course they don't tell anything.
Yeah.
My daughter comes home, I ask her, what are you doing in annual function?
Yes.
She says, you'll come to know when you come to see it.
Oh my God, even she wants to give you a surprise.
A surprise.
Great.
Now I tell her that your school is preparing you to become a spy.
That's nice. No, we want to have a healthy and a very good relationship.
No, but spy is like it's a profession. Detective.
Yes. So we'll not tell you when you'll come. You will reveal everything. See by yourself.
Yes.
What inspired you to choose IB?
Okay. First, like when I entered the school and I saw the student-teacher ratio. That was the first thing that inspired me. It is not just in the lower grades, but even in the higher grades that IB teacher-student ratio is around 1:15.
Oh my God.
At the most 16 or 17. That ratio 1:15, so there is one teacher and 15 students, gives that personal touch.
Yes.
And it was great.
Yeah.
The teacher knows about all the children, tries to connect, empathize with everybody, and I've seen it. I've seen it in Ridhima's home teachers till now.
Wow.
The bond that she shared with them.
Yeah.
So that inspired me.
Ridhima is in MYP now,
yes, she's
right?
in MYP.
Like she's in MYP 1. Okay.
So I've seen that transition from PYP.
The journey of PYP.
Yes, I have. So this was the first point of inspiration. The second point, it was the technology-driven culture.
Okay.
I saw how the teachers and the students were busy preparing on their iPads.
Yes.
And I've always embraced technology. Because today that is the world. You know, in the olden days we had books, we had khatas in Hindi.
Yes, I know. We were busy in reading.
Yes.
Oh, learn by heart like that.
Now it is more about technology and IB is giving it to them, so I'm good. I'm happy with it. So there are few students who have passed out from here and I've seen their journey. I'll tell you. So there is this student from my colony. She's now gone to London to study. She's doing her graduation from there. She told me about Choitram International. And she's doing her graduation from there. And I think her body language inspired me to come here at the first place.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's how IB is exceptional.
Yes.
Right? Okay, that's wonderful. And now I can see the change in Ridhima too.
Okay, I'll tell you to start with. My daughter is a very quiet girl. She's an introvert.
Was, not is now.
Yeah, but then her primary personality, I think, will always be an introvert. I'm okay with it. But then the changes that she has got here are, she's become a communicator when there is a need. And also, so I've learned about these 10 IB profiles.
Great.
You know, being an IB parent, there are things that I've also learned.
Okay.
These 10 IB profiles, which are a researcher, an inquirer, a balanced person.
That's our goal, like we want them to be.
And I've seen all this in Ridhima.
Wow.
All of this is not in paper. You know, she did community service just when she was in PYP. She's done it. She's gone to these meaningful field trips. They were taken to a paper making factory once.
Yes.
And I was impressed. I was like, when they go to a factory, their entire experience, they see production.
Yes.
They see how, maybe it is a journey of them becoming an entrepreneur.
Yes, of course.
I'll tell you, I was called last year. So we have these forms that, what do you excel in?
Yes.
Forms for parents. So I told them that I am an English teacher.
Yes.
And they asked me, will you like to come and deliver a lecture?
Yes.
I agreed. So I prepared a presentation.
Yeah, I think poem, right?
Yes, literary devices, poetic devices.
Poetic devices.
So I taught the PYP 5 students about similes, metaphors, alliteration. It was a great experience for me. And I
Yes.
hope it was the same for the students. Another thing I want to add here is the PYP exhibition.
Oh, wow.
I think I should not forget that.
Yes.
It was
It was
the
a wonderful-
magnum opus.
Yes.
And after that exhibition, there was another surprise for the parents. You took us to the auditorium and the students performed.
Yes. That was
the
a show.
icing on the cake. So this
Yeah.
PYP exhibition is like that reward which we got. It was a culmination of whatever they learned in their early years, in their PYP journey.
Yes.
And it prepared them for the MYP,
For the next
the
phase.
middle years.
Yes, for the
yes.
next phase.
And they were preparing for months for the exhibition. PYP exhibition was like, I thought the entire year they were preparing. She used to bring stuff home. She was so busy and
wonderful
but it was
presentation.
worth it. It was worth it. All the students
Yes.
in the atrium, how they delivered. There were many students who spoke about cricket, students with educational games. It was very impressive.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll not exaggerate. It's not a hyperbole, but I was spellbound.
Wow.
I was spellbound by the PYP exhibition. And for me, that's the reward that my daughter got in PYP. And I'm sure the same will continue.
Yes, it will.
Yes.
It will. Hina, what do you think? Any challenges Riddhima faced?
As such, no. She told me about this bridging program.
Yes, we
She
do
said
have.
that teachers from MYP used to come
Yeah.
to talk to them
Yeah.
about what to expect in MYP. And she told me, Mama, even students used to come. So maybe this bridging program that you did, it helped me. And also IB is a continuous curriculum.
Yes.
See, Aparna, for
Yeah.
me, the reward is a child happily going to school and coming from school. If
That
that is okay,
matters.
I think
matters.
the race is won. Choitram International is a very happening school.
It's a happening school, surely.
It is a
for
very
sure.
happening
Yes.
school. I tell Riddhima that every other day you have
Something
an
or
event.
other.
You have an event.
Yes.
And because she prepares for it, I'll tell you, last year she participated in this inter-school, you can say debate, and inter-school drama competition.
Yes.
And she became
Storytelling. Yeah.
And we got her costume made.
Yes.
So she had like this costume
Hina,
split
I
in
must
middle.
agree, you are a very supportive mother.
See, you say that in IB, parents
Yes.
have to be equally
We
involved.
cannot do anything separately.
So I got this costume made for her, which was like half, Mullah Nasruddin,
Mullah
the character she was
Nasruddin, yeah.
playing, and half and another old man.
Yes.
And she was doing a conversation and she won.
She was the first girl.
She was.
And that's how her journey started.
Yeah.
She got the confidence. And
So there are events, like I told you, this inter-school drama. She went for within Choitram football competition just a few days back.
yeah. Football competition or ISSO?
No, it was football competition in Choitram, Nipania.
Oh, she went there? That's wonderful.
Yes. So yes, it is happening, and
She likes to go for sports.
Yeah.
This
See, I'll
and
tell
that.
you, with IB, what I feel
Wow.
is a child needs to be equally inquisitive and curious and ready to explore the opportunities.
Oh, that's the IB's aim. Like we want holistic development.
Yes. So there are opportunities, but you have to grab it.
Yes.
You have to grab
Correct.
it, and she's doing it. I'll repeat here, if my child is happy in school, she goes happily, she returns happily, and she becomes more responsible, then my worry as a parent,
Yeah.
it goes. So the reward is that the child is not worried and the parents are also not worried. It is a very comfortable environment in IB. All the students are together, they work together in groups.
Yes.
Here, you have to work together in that group culture. and
Yeah,
it is very
parent
important.
community, school.
Yes.
We are all one community,
Yes.
right?
You literally learning by playing in IB, playing as in, of course, very constructively.
Yes.
So that's
That's happening.
Please keep
Yes.
doing it, and
Yeah.
I will recommend Choitramai to
We will.
to my friends. I have been doing it, and I
Yes.
recommend IB curriculum to people because we know how global it is, how all inclusive.
So Hina, like I must say, seeing that girl, you thought of your girl putting in IB.
Yes.
So now
Seeing
maybe
my girl.
seeing your girl, maybe your friends will
Yes.
think of it.
Yes.
Now, Hina, what about the core values of families? Like, what do you think that Riddhima, through this IB curriculum or through her everyday nature or learning process, she's also learning the family ethic, values.
She's learning it from here. As I told you, one IB profile which is caring.
Yeah.
I've seen it in her.
How? Can you just tell me?
Oh, she cares for us.
Yeah. And how balanced?
She's balanced.
How?
See, how balanced, how do you take the pressure? And how you are when a negative circumstance is there, how patiently you deal with it.
Wow.
I've seen that
That's
patience
incredible.
in her. So for a girl of 11, showing that patience, and that patience maybe comes in those comprehensive activities that she's doing here.
That's a social emotional balance, and that's what they learn.
Yes.
We are very happy to know that, with our motive or with our goals, if we are successfully doing this, and as a mother, as a parent, if you are just reflecting, I'm really glad, and I'm really going to give my team that, hey guys, we are all working on it.
Yes,
and
working wonderfully on it. Kudos.
Yeah, we will be keep doing, and we are nothing without your support.
The parents, it is the teacher, the student, and the parent involvement. And
yes. Yeah.
we are a team, and we'll keep on working towards it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Hina.
you.
Nice talking
Thank
to you.
Thank you. Same here.